Hey guys, today I'm checking out this sports camera that I received for reviewing purposes. It can connect with Wi-Fi upon your cell phone with an application, and I think that it's nice because it's a sport camera that you can take it with you anywhere. If you want to go hiking, traveling, if you want to go on a bicycle, and it even has many different functions that I think that it's really, really nice. It has Ultra HD recording, it has a portable back clip with rotation, which I think that it's great, and it comes with a magnetic lanyard, so you can use it anywhere that you go. Okay, let's open it up and let's see what comes inside. Okay, we got in here the user manual with all important information about it, how to use it, how to download the application, and everything that we're gonna need to connect it, which I think that it's great. Okay, we got a USB Type-C charging cable, okay, in case that we need it to charge our device. We got the clip right here. You can see it just rotates. We have the magnetic lanyard. You can see. And in here, it's nice, we also get a little lanyard so we can place it directly upon our camera, a USB adapter for the memory cards, and a little pin so we can reset it. Usually we have in here the camera, and let me show you. It's quite small. It's literally the size of my thumb, which I think that it's great. And well, in here we have the space where we can connect it to the lanyard, the power button, and in here we got the space we're gonna charge it and use or change the memory card. In this case, it already have one. It's a 128 gigabytes memory card, which I think that is nice. So let's go ahead and test it out. Come on. Its design is simple and intuitive. You just use the central button to start or stop recording, or change into the Wi-Fi mode to connect with your cell phone. And the indicator light confirms that you're capturing every moment, so you're never gonna miss a shot. And it's quite easy to use. Despite its small size, it's packed with features. You can attach it anywhere with the magnetic pendant, or use the back clip or safety cord to record completely hands-free. So whether you're walking with your pet, traveling, or just documenting your day-to-day work, the hands-free design keeps your focus on the moment and not in the camera. And once that you are done recording, you can connect it with the Type-C cable to transfer your videos instantly, or just download them from the application. And with the included 128 gigabyte storage card, you will ensure that you have plenty of hours of 4K footage ready to review. Small, smart, and yet powerful, this mini body cam gives you freedom to record your life from your perspective, and you can mount it anywhere and capture everything. Through the application, we can review the footage of our camera, we can pause it, start recording, and even have a speed guide in case that we are going on a hike, running, or even in our bicycle, which I think that it's really nice. We can also see the location with the GPS integrated, which I think that it's a really great and functional option to use when you're gonna go hiking, stuff like that. And you can also access the different settings of the camera, adjust the video resolution, image in case that you're recording, taking images, and you can also choose if you want to have your microphone activated or deactivated with the footage that you are recording. Okay, so as you can see, it's a really nice camera. It's a great option to have it with you when you're gonna go hiking, cycling, or whatever outdoors activity you wanna do. I think that it's really nice. It has a lot of functions that I think that it's great in the application, making it easier to take your videos and share them however you want. And overall, I think that this is a really nice camera, and I will really recommend it. See you guys.